or welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be on Asian bridal look. So I don't have much to talk about it, so we will start with the video.
So I will start with my hairs first because मुझे ये ज़्यादा convenient लगता है. फ्रंट सेक्शन में वैसे ही छोड़ दूंगी और बैक वाले सेक्शन को मैं इन रिवर्स डायरेक्शन कोम करूंगी ताकि एक वॉल्यूम आ जाए और एक छोटा सा पफ बना सकूं. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं बट वेरी वेरी लिटिल. सो आई विल स्टार्ट ट्विस्टिंग द फ्रंट सेक्शन द वे आई एम शोइंग. I'll take it back and secure it with a bobby pin. तो मेरा फ्रंट का पार्ट हो गया है. अब I will take the rest of my hairs into a ponytail and I will twist it. I'll pull some of the hairs so that it gets a little volume and I want it to look a little messy. So I'm done with the bun and I will secure it with bobby pins. I will complete the look by putting a gajra. Now let us move to our makeup. First of all, I will clean my face properly so that no dirt is present on my face. You can see how much dirt I had. Now I will apply my moisturizer. Now I will apply my primer. I'm using Inside Cosmetics oil-free primer. तो पहले मैं आई मेकअप से स्टार्ट करूँगी. सो आई विल कंसील माई आईज माई स्विस ब्यूटी कंसीलर. So I will set it with the help of a setting powder. Here I am using Blue Heaven Saphire setting powder. So as a transition shade, I will take this peach shade. I will take this pink color shade and apply it on my crease. Now I will take this maroon shade to darken my crease. So I will take a blending brush and blend all the three shades. So I will take this chocolate brown shade again on my crease. I will blend it again with a blending brush. To cut my crease, first of all, I will clean it up with a cleanser. इट लुक्स रियली क्लीन नाउ। सो अब मैं अप्लाई करूँगी अपना कंसीलर। अब एक फ्लैट ब्रश की मदद से मैं इसको अच्छी तरीके से सेट कर दूँगी। I will use my setting powder again to set my concealer properly. I will take this brown shade again. So I will start from my outer corner. So I'll make it as dark as I can. So I will leave it till here, and I will use this shimmery pink shade for the middle part. So I'm using a very small brush. It gives you a good control and it do not create a mess. For my very inner corners, I'm using this rose gold shade. After removing my tape, you can see how neat it looks. Now I will use a liquid eyeshadow from Blue Heaven in the shade Shooting Star. I will apply it on the space I left. So I will take the brown shade again for my lower lash line. For the other half, I will use this shimmery shade. So I will complete my look with an eyeliner. So now I will fill my brows with the same brown color from Music Flower. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. For foundation, I'm using Fit Me in the shade 310. I will apply it all over my face in the form of dots. For concealer, I'm using my Swiss Beauty concealer. I will contour my face using my NYB contour stick. I almost forgot to apply it under my jawline, so here I am applying it again. Now I will set my whole face using a setting powder. For blush, I'm using again my SFR Colors Nude Berry shade. I'm using Urban Choice 04 Sundust as my highlighter. For lipstick, I'm using ADS Pro Cosmetics 409 Rose Blossom. I will use the same lipstick as a bindi. So here I have completed the look. So this is my final look. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. I will be back with some amazing videos. Until then, bye.